Hello, it's Mr. Smith. Here we're gonna do a same amount problem. I'll go through it. This is actually a fairly simple problem. As long as you can solve an equation, you should have no problem with these. So as you can see, we have Old Navy and we have Gap. Both pay their employees by the hour. The table below shows how much an employee makes at each store. So in our table, we can see the Old Navy employee. This expression represents how much they make, 5x plus 8. Then we have our Gap employee, who is 2x plus 20. And it says if x represents the number of hours each employee works, how many hours will employees at both stores have to work before they earn the same amount? So the key word in this is same amount. The thing that you have to know about same amount is that it's the same thing as equal. When two things are the same amount, that means they're equal. So we're trying to figure out when these two things are the same amount. Basically, we're trying to find out when they're equal to each other. So I'm going to take the Old Navy employee, who is 5x plus 8. And I'm going to find out when it's the same amount or when it's equal to the Gap employee, which is 2x plus 20. And then we just solve for x. I'm going to split my equation in half. I'm going to go ahead and try and get my variable on one side. So I'm going to move this 2x over here. This is being added, and this is a positive, so I need to subtract. So I'm going to subtract 2x on both sides. When we look at this side, we know 2x minus 2x is 0, so we just bring down our 20. And we're left with 5x minus 2x, which is 3x, and then we have an 8. And I'm just going to solve what I have left of a two-step problem. Here's my x. 8's the furthest thing away. It's being added, so I'm going to subtract 8 on both sides. So 20 minus 8 is 12. I bring down my 3x. Still trying to get x by itself. So the 3 needs to move. 3 is being multiplied by x. So we have to do the inverse operation, which is division. So we divide both sides by 3, and we get x is equal to 4. So we know it will take 4 hours before both employees earn the same amount. And if you watched any of my other videos, you know I always like to look back at the question. It says how many hours will employees at both stores have to work before they earn the same amount? And it's going to be 4 hours before both employees earn the same amount. And again, as always, I like to write a statement that answers the question. This is a better answer than this. If you're still having difficulty with this, we do have one more example. It's same amount in video 2, but I really hope this helped. If not, move on to video 2.